Morning students, today we are going to learn question answers of chapter number 3, social institution, continuity and change. Here we will learn objective type questions and weightage will be 1 mark. Clear? Question number 1, the blank is the name of an name of an ancient social institution that has been part of Indian history and culture for thousands of years. That will termed as a caste. Clear? Caste is an ancient social institution. Again, question number 2 is also related with the caste. What is the meaning of caste? Caste means pure breed. Clear? In this we have learned about the hierarchical system. So caste is divided into 4 classes mainly: Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishyas and Shudras. So what is the meaning of term caste? It is pure breed. Question number 3, caste group. Question number 3, caste group are blank, which means the marriage is restricted to members of the group that will termed as the endogamous group. Clear? If the question will be caste group are blank, which means the marriage is not restricted to the member of the group, then its answer will be exogamous. Clear? Endogamous you can learn with the trick. exo exit, हम बोलते ना एग्जिट, बाहर जाना. इट मीन्स जब हम शादी भी बाहर की कास्ट में कर सकते थे लोग उस टाइम के, दैट विल टर्म्ड एज एक्सोगेमी. और अगर उसी ग्रुप में शादी करनी है, दैट विल टर्म्ड एज एंडो, इनसाइड. क्लियर? एंड एक्सो exit, outside. Now next question. Question number 4. Caste involve a system consisting of many castes arranged in hierarchy of blank and blank. Answer will be rank and status. Clear? It consists arrangement of caste. Question number 5. The division of caste into subcaste and subcaste is termed as segmental division. Our question number 5 is what we will termed division of caste further into subcaste. Means caste की तो division हो गई, ठीक है, जो हम पढ़ते हैं for Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishyas and Shudra. But what about their further subdivision? That will termed as segmental division. Question number 6 is one of the most important question. The hierarchical order of caste is based on the distinction between blank. I told you hierarchical order in which there are mainly 4 groups: Brahman, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas and Shudras. They are asking about this hierarchical order is based on which thing? This is based on purity and pollution concept. Now purity word, this is used for Brahman people. They were considered as most pure people in the society, and the term pollution, it was used for Shudras. Clear? Shudras were considered as most polluted people and Brahmans most pure people. Concept is purity and pollution. Hierarchical order of caste is based on the purity and pollution. Very good. Now next question is the blank under the direction of Herbert Resler was particularly an important effort in collecting information about the social hierarchy of caste in India. Answer will be census 1902. These censuses were collected under the direction of Herbert Resler. Next question. Question number 8. Blank and blank organized protest against untouchability from the 1920s onward. Who were these great personalities? These were Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and Mahatma Gandhi ji. Clear? Both these two persons have raised their voice in the favor of untouchable people, and Mahatma Gandhi ji give name Harijan to which community? To the tribal community, to the untouchable people. Clear? What is the meaning of Harijan? Hari means God, Jan means children. Clear? मीन्स सारे बच्चे किसके हैं? एक ही परमात्मा के. Is it clear to everyone? These were 7 questions. In next video I will cover 13 questions more. Then we will cover 20 questions. Thank you so much class. Very good evening. Have a very good day.